This is a lady speaking, and I have decided to share what's on my mind. What would happen if we just turned on the light? That is what we do in dark spaces. Some of us are a little more interesting than others, where we can get around that. But in general, we turn on the light in dark spaces. I used to fear the dark when I was inexperienced with it, but now I intentionally exist along with it, with the understanding that when I need to see or understand something, I just turn on the light. So, what is my most enjoyable light? That would have to be daylight. Ooh wee. Something about that full spectrum light gets me going. Now, I can appreciate a moonlight frequency frequently, but that daylight keeps me productive, alert, and full of clarity. I'm grateful for the variety of light we have at our disposal, but there are so many ways to enjoy light variations. I can't take it all in at once. So, how about we take plenty of relaxing vacations and enjoy the lights in their designated spaces? I'm always on the side of healthy lifestyle choices whenever possible. This environment we exist in has yet to see a perfect score, but is well on our way to exceeding that expectation. Can we consider turning on the light to see all the possibilities we have to believe in, to become courageous enough to generate a description better than perfection? Big expectations, I know. Everyone who claims success understands setting goals is the first step to obtaining the things we want. So this got me thinking. The sun is flexing way out in outer space, shining on Earth, which does not exempt the bottom of the ocean. The bottom of the ocean is total darkness. Ocean creatures move in the depths of that darkness, so sunlight or electricity must dwell there. The depths of that darkness, being a full spectrum color, located at the depths of the ocean, have the obstacle of water to consider. Yet its appearance of total darkness proves the bottom of the ocean's appearance is very absorbent when it comes to light or electricity. It absorbs all the light because of its distance from the sun, making its appearance dark or less reflective. In other words, being more light absorbent. In those places, it is usually quieter and or calmer, maybe because of the weight of light absorption. Large people can be fast if trained. However, most of them tend to be slower because of heavier light or calorie absorption. It is usually colder in total darkness. That's why its appearance can be attributed to its location at the depths, far away from the sun, yet the sun is very present, because life is very present at the depths. Outer space is much closer to the sun than the ocean, yet it appears in total darkness as well. Here on Earth, we receive plenty of sunlight, which goes through outer space first. Is there enough light to illuminate outer space in the daytime, just like the Earth at similar times? Is there daylight in outer space at all, or is it always dark? Some planets in outer space are hotly shining their light, identity being light. Other places in outer space are too cold, yet somehow, regardless of the frequency, emit light, showing they also are light. What about the plethora of lights that have different identities, some being called stars? The ones we wish upon. They are usually bright enough to be seen at night, so they can claim the title of being a light. We here on Earth can squeeze in some light that can remove the darkness of night in the day. So, is outer space keeping up? Does anyone know? So let that marinate a little while, and I'll tell you my theories to those questions in a few videos from now. I have other things I want to talk about first. Until then, we make love see.